美国总统大选，我见 Trump 卡和金利的民调要加真严，两边的定赢拢咧注意，任何代志若发生，拢有可能会改变局势。也若两个候选人也一直去接受专访，去摇摆州造势，甲票过好调。
历届美国总统大选第11月初投票，10月份的突发事件，候选人无有够的时间反应，历史上几落届改变选举结果，所以互人叫做10月惊喜。
Will it be a scandal? Will it be a crisis? Will it be the outbreak of war? Will it be misinformation, something planted by the opposition party or even from a foreign government?
英国广播公司分析本届选前可能出现10月惊喜，包括海伦米尔顿这洪泰在后的政治效应，也甲中东局势升温所造成的犹太裔、阿拉伯裔加反正学生囡仔选票流动。不过，嘛有专家认为，拜登退选加川普互人攻击的事件已经发生，所以较无可能阁有会当改变结局的10月惊喜。2016年4月，克林顿竞选总统，联邦调查局伫选前11天宣布展开电邮门的调查，变做互伊败选的10月惊喜。伊的翁婿前总统克林顿23伫亚利桑那州向会的选民吹票，指控共和党人是制造怀疑甲分裂的天才，川普是出一支喙爱万东万西人。福音地嘛引用川普前幕僚长凯利的专访内容，警告川普心境错乱、独裁主义、追求无受限制的权力。
That Donald Trump's former chief of staff, John Kelly, a retired four-star general, confirmed that while Donald Trump was president, he said he wanted generals like Adolf Hitler had. Donald Trump said that because he does not want a military that is loyal to the United States Constitution. He wants a military that is loyal to him.
迄天，川普是伫无确定州乔治亚造势，争取关键的16张选举人票，拍移民牌。
This border is 10 times, 15 times worse than it was in 2016, as you know. But we're going to stop it, and we're going to deport all of these criminals that have been brought into the country.
川普嘛积极吸引基督教福音教派人士，迄天参加宗教主题活动，坚固保守派选票。目前选情正晚，提早投票正踊跃。两个候选人伫最后2礼拜，会甲大部分的时间锁定乔治亚甲宾州这两个上大的关键政区。公司新闻是会长编译。